In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Wise. Whether you're aiming to enhance your account security or simply updating your credentials, this process is quite straightforward. Let's walk through these steps together to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, you'll need to open up the Wise platform. You can do this through their website or the app, depending on where you prefer to manage your account. Once you're there, make sure to log in using your current account details. It's important to start from a point where you're fully authenticated, as this ensures you have complete access to all the necessary settings. Now, take a look at the top corner of your Wise profile. You'll see your profile icon or perhaps your image, depending on your profile setup. Clicking on this lets you access a drop-down menu with various options related to your account management. In this menu, you'll want to look for the Security and Privacy option. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new section that focuses on keeping your account safe and secure. This is where you can make changes to ensure your account remains protected. Within the Security and Privacy section, you'll find the option labeled Password. Selecting this will guide you to the password management area of your account. At this point, Wise will prompt you to enter your current password. This step is crucial. It's a security measure to make sure it really is you trying to change the password, not someone else attempting unauthorized changes to your account. After you've verified your current password, you'll be allowed to set a new one. It's important to choose a password that's strong and unique, ensuring the security of your account is maximized. Think of a combination that mixes upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This blend makes your password robust and more difficult for others to guess. Once you've decided on a new password, go ahead and enter it in the provided field. Verify that you have typed it correctly and confirm the new password if asked. After entering your new password, you'll need to click the Save button to finalize the change. This step is essential because it ensures that your new credentials are securely updated in the system. And there you have it, a fresh, secure password for your Wise account. Regularly updating your passwords is a great habit for keeping your online presence safe. Thanks for following along today, and remember, security doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a simple and empowering part of managing your digital life.